All right, folks. Here's another unboxing. Yeah, another unboxing of the GoveeLife Wi-Fi Smart Gateway 2 with Smart Thermo-Hygrometer 3 Lite. Um, in this studio here, in this home studio, I have an issue where it gets hot, and with the electricity bills, even though I'm running off the grid, so I can't see electricity bill, but the amount of power the air conditioner would run, I can't keep it running all day while I'm at work, but it gets really hot in here. So I need to be able to regulate it, and I want to regulate it based on um, the temperature in the room. So I wanted to find something that was pretty good that I could use from an app remotely, and I could say, hey, for my last review boxes, um, I need to use the app to turn the AC on and off, or use the app to figure out the temperature to determine if I need to turn the AC on and off. So Govee was really gracious to send this. I have reviewed a lot of Govee stuff. I think they're an amazing company that make amazing products, and I'm hoping, of course, this is just the same here. So this is a Govee Lite Wi-Fi. It says outdoor thermometer. Um, I'm not sure that matters. At least one of them I'll be using indoor. Communication distance is 400 meters, IPX5 waterproof, temperature alerts, high sensitivity alerts, app remote monitoring, and cloud storage. My biggest deal will be the temperature alerts, and I guess, humidity, if that's possible. So let's open it right up. Wait no longer, because this really is an unboxing, not a review. The review will be available via a link in the description below. So let's see what we've got. You've got the user manual. Well, I'm gonna try this is tiny. I'm not even gonna try to read it. I can see here that it shows you on this page that they're apps, Apple and Android apps. There is your journey begins now. GoveeLife, a help card, contact card, should you need their help. There is a QR code card that says scan QR code with your phone camera or a third-party app for more information. I guess this is the easy way for you to download the app and any information. There's a lanyard. That's one. See what we got here. Got some big fingers. Let's open this up. Recyclable packaging. So this is I guess this is one of the sensors. Has a button on the front. Looks like the back can open here. So let's see. Yes, so it's got two AA batteries. You pull this tab when you want to go live. I'm not going to pull the tab now because this is not the setup process as yet. There's a button on the front, which I'm assuming is part of the pairing or the setup. This next unit is obviously the main unit. I'm going to peel off the plastic. Oh, that feels good. That's got a button on the front. And if you've ever dealt with Govee sensors, like I have the Govee water sensors for my basement, you understand this, how this pairing works. You're pressing this button, and then eventually these devices register. You use the app, which is always amazing. They usually sell them in packages of 3. They sent me the one package with the one sensor. So for me, this sensor will go in this room, in this home studio, because this is where critical information about temperature is needed. So I will go ahead and plug this in soon, set it up, and go through the process, which I'm pretty sure will be very easy. This plugs in. This will go into a plug that's running off my EcoFlow off inverters off the grid, and I will set it up. I will connect it to the app, which again with Govee stuff is usually very easy. And then I'll do the full review again. You can read the entire review by clicking the link in the description below. Once again, the GoveeLife Wi-Fi Smart Gateway 2 with Smart Thermo-Hygrometer 3 Lite.